What's up, everybody? Naderade here with another video. As you can tell, it's about the garage door opener. I do apologize about the video quality. I'm shooting with an iPhone 4. It's all I had at the time to record video. I'm having trouble with my garage door opener remotes. They do not seem to want to communicate very well with this here Chamberlain Formula 1. You can see that. I doubt you can. But anyways, as you saw, I push the button and just the light comes on, opener doesn't open, and the little learn light just flashes. I don't know what happened. I have tried reprogramming the remotes. I've got 3 of them, but I don't have a battery for the other one. Let me just show you what the other one does. The other one does the same thing. It acts like it's trying to communicate, but doesn't want to do anything. Now, before you say, oh, it's probably the batteries. Well, these are fresh CR2032 batteries. And it might be these LEDs that are causing the problem. I'm not sure, but we can try. This thing has been in service since 2006. Nope, does the same thing. Could be the other bulb causing it. We'll try that. Come on. Fits perfectly. Nope. You can see the light blinking. And you can hear the relay inside clicking. Now, what's funny is that the home link in the vehicle, that's coming up in a video soon about the new vehicle. Screw it. About the home link works just fine. The button on the wall over there works fine, and the keypad works fine. But the damn remotes don't. So my question is, do I have a set of faulty remotes, or do I have a faulty door opener? Because like I said, it only happens when you use the remotes. If you want to know the specs, there you go. Made in China, of course. What isn't these days? It's just a little half horse. Nothing special. The only reason we replaced it is because the old door broke. And I mean broke. I mean it broke the assemblies and whatnot. Focus. Thank you. But yeah. I can turn the light off and on, but I can't get it open. Anyways, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. And tell me what you guys think. Later.